Meet Livid, the all-in-one video hub for hosting your videos ad-free and fully branded. It's built for content creators, small businesses, and videographers who've outgrown Vimeo and YouTube. Here's how it works. Bulk import your whole library with the free Love exporter, customize the player with your own logo and colors, then share with public, unlisted, or password-protected links. Livid launched in January 2026 from the team behind Streamyard. On AppSumo, it's earned a perfect 5 taco rating, with reviewers praising fast uploads, a clean player, and seamless Vimeo migration. On pricing, Tier 1 at $39 is perfect for solo creators. Tier 2 at $99 adds 4K and your own logo. Ideal for growing brands and agencies. Now let's jump into the dashboard and check this software out. Hello everybody, and in this particular demo, guys, welcome back to the Video Geek Squad channel. I'm going to be actually walking you guys through the entire process of registering and getting into Livid, okay? So what you're going to do, first of all, guys, you're going to go ahead and you're going to enter in your email. So after you get ready to activate the product, you're going to be brought to this screen. You're going to go ahead and enter your email, and then you're going to get your email link to start you off. All right, everybody. So once you confirm your email, you're going to be brought into this particular website. This is the Livid library site. So this is what you're going to see now. One of the things that you will notice right off of the bat is the very clean UI or user interface. Okay. You're brought to the user interface. If you look over to the left-hand side, you'll see it says home. If you needed to search for a particular video, you would have it there. Also, if you needed any sort of support, you would find it here as well. Now, if you come down to the bottom here, you'll see your settings, your billing, and your sign out information. Also, they have a layout for you to lay it out, whether you want the card sizes small, medium, or large, and you can look at the aspect ratio as well. You can also import from Vimeo. If you have some Vimeo videos on Vimeo, you can go ahead and do that as well. Also, you can press on here that says new. So you can upload videos, create a new folder, create a showcase. So it's pretty self-explanatory here, guys. And so once you do that, now, here is where you're going to download Love if you want to do multiple files, from my understanding, and also be able to import all of your stuff from other from the Vimeo website. Okay, so Livid is going to give you the option of doing that as well. All right, so what I'm going to do in this particular video, I'm going to go ahead and just upload a video that I have in here from earlier today. Actually, it's a review video that I'm making. Now, one thing you'll notice, it was very, very fast. So it was very, very quick. That uploaded that very, very fast. Also, you will notice that a dialog box popped up here that says join the Facebook community. So now you have the ability to join the Facebook community once you upload your first video or anything like that. Okay. Now, this seems to have a drag and drop ability for you to go ahead and drag and drop videos, so you can just drag and drop them over. And so you will have that ability as well. So it's a well-rounded user interface at this particular point. Now, I started off on the starter account so I could kind of take a look at it for you guys to determine, because I do have another product that I use for all of my my course videos and all of the things like that. Okay. But this would be nice to sort of house some of the other videos in case I want to password protect them, and I have other products such as this that I can use. So it's and to be honest with you guys, because of all of my discounts and everything, I got it for, you know, almost next to nothing. So this is pretty much a pretty good deal here. Now, I noticed that it says 200 gigs here down at the bottom. I need to go verify if this is the amount of gigs for this account, so I might be confused, but let me see. All right, I wanted to go over really quickly with you the actual website for this particular product. If you will notice here, they're actually going after the Vimeo and the Wistia individuals who might have used Wistia for their video hosting. Okay, so it says time to ditch Vimeo and get Livid, right? It's an ad-free video hosting tool. We've kind of gone over that, but I just wanted to give you guys a look at the website so that you can see this particular website. So they're telling you right here, comparing it to Vimeo, versus Livid, what you're going to get. Okay, so they're taking away all of those extra fees and those extra costs that you would normally have to pay. They're sort of removing the barrier of entry for you, so you'll be able to get in with this at this particular time. Now, just so that you understand, they have a free version and then they have a Livid $10 a month billed annually plan. So it is billed annually, so that would be like $120 for the year. So you would pay $120 for the year if you do not pick this up at this particular point. So right now the price is at $10 if you do the annual plan. Now, if you do the monthly plan, it's going to be $16 billed monthly. So that's going to roughly get you at $130, $140, somewhere around there per year. Okay, so I mean, you're going to be paying a little bit more. So the best way to go if you were going to do this, you would be with the annual plan. But right now you don't even have to worry about the annual plan, because if you click the link that I've got in the description for you below, you're going to be able to get it at a discount. And if it's your first time ever purchasing, you're going to be able to get an extra 10% off of that as well. Okay, and so that's the great news about that. So just make sure that you guys take a look at that, because that's one of the things that makes it really good to purchase from the Video Geek Squad. Now, I also wanted to go over the fact that this is coming from the folks over there at Streamyard. The founding team all hail from Streamyard. So the people who created this team, these are folks that started off with Streamyard, and so they've created a different type of product, and so that is an awesome thing. And it starts, of course, off from Nick Taylor. So I'm going to tell you guys, just looking at the rough estimate of this, we're probably going to love this product, only because normally these kinds of products and these kind of individuals understand the video world, and they come from the video world, and so it sort of makes things a whole lot easier for those of us who deal in putting together videos and making videos, etc., etc. Now, I want you guys to make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Make sure that you come back and you visit, because we're going to be putting up a lot more reviews and tutorials and demos coming up in the future. So I want you guys to make sure you subscribe. Also share the video out. This is one of these products that individuals will want to get if they're going to be hosting any sort of video online, and they want to be able to send it out to their friends, their family. This is sort of self-explanatory. So this is one of these products that you'll definitely want to pick up. Now, my only gripe with this particular program is the 200 gigs. When you're producing video tends to get very, very high. So your storage is 200 gigs, guys. I'm going to be honest with you, as a video course creator, you're going to run out of this very quickly. So I'm going to really recommend that you shoot for the tier 2 plan, because that way you don't have to worry about it. And plus, you're going to be able to remove your logo. All right, now make sure that you guys hit the subscribe button. Make sure that you come back for future videos, and I'll see you guys in the very next video.